Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. So, I am on my way to go pick up some VP Racing M5 Methanol as per my tuner's recommendation. So, I am in the middle of getting an E-Tune by Ron Watson over here at Phatbotti Tuning. Ron has, instructed me to go with the 500cc nozzle from the AEM kit, the Meth Injection kit, and also go pick up some methanol M5. So, pretty hard to find here in Southern California. I found actually two shops, one in Gardena and one in Downey. So I live in Buena Park, so I'm on my way over there to go get some. So we're gonna go pick some up, put some into the reservoir in the back, and get started with these pulls. All right, guys, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. All right, guys, and we are back home. So I got the methanol right here, guys. This is what I'm using right now. It is the, let's go ahead and turn it around for you guys. VP Racing M5 Methanol, about 5 gallons worth. So basically, yeah, this was recommended by Ron Watson, who I'm being tuned by. I went ahead and flushed out basically all of the distilled water to make sure there are no contaminants. I know on the last video I didn't show you guys the solenoid, which is installed here. There's actually a nice little fuel line bracket which it clips onto, and there's my nozzle right there. So yeah, the whole set is pretty much done. The install on the meth kit was done, so I went ahead and drained out all the distilled water. One big gripe I'm gonna have to complain about, and Chris over on the Facebook group has warned me about this, is filling this guy with methanol. Obviously, you don't want to spill methanol all over your interior. It is toxic, and as you guys can see, I have a baby seat right there. So, you want to be very careful when you are doing this. So, what I think I would suggest is actually having another funnel here, a large funnel, because even with this easy pour spout here that I got from VP Racing, it is quite difficult to lift a 5-gallon pail, a metal pail, and being super careful about it. I did get some in. I think I got about like 80% in there right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and load the tune-up from Ron Watson. And yeah, I'll take you guys for a cruise. Let's go. Okay, guys. So yeah, I am all done loading up Ron's map. He's gonna have me go out for a cruise log. So I'm gonna go ahead and go out for a cruise log of 5 minutes. And then after that, he wants me to do 1/3 gear pull with this meth injection running, and then it's still on pump gas. So we're still on the pump gas portion of our tune. So we'll go ahead and go out and drive. So everything so far in the Accessport looks good. AFRs, I mean, after Ron even gave me a base map, in all honesty, guys, versus my other Pro Tune, I had zero knock, like zero feedback knock. I'm sure if it's hot or whatnot, you might get occasional here and there, but literally zero knock. Versus my other tune, I always got a little bit of cruise knock here and there. I never could figure out why. So I'm really happy about that. Now, there's another big debate on the Facebook group. I don't know if you guys are a member of the 2015 plus WRX owners group, but a lot of guys, especially some of the tuners, don't favor using meth injection if you're using E85. It seems like it's kind of does the same thing, and a lot of them are against that. However, some reasoning behind the reason why Ron has told me to go with meth injection was because I'm Catless, and I choose not to run an external wastegate because obviously I live here in California. I've had a run-in with the cops before, and I've gotten the California state ref ticket here before, which is about like $1,000, actually about like 800 bucks when it's all said and done. So it's something that you kind of want to avoid, and I mean, these cars are already targeted so much. What's the reason of making it even louder? And I'm still running the stock catback right now, so I'm actually at a much less risk of running into boost creep than someone with a fully open exhaust. But still, Ron's doing his due diligence as a tuner, He doesn't want to blow up any cars and be responsible or feel responsible for it. So, you know, I totally understand that, and I've gone kind of out of my way to do things the way that he wants to do it. So, okay, guys. So it seems like we're here on a little bit of a clear road. Gonna do a 3rd gear wide open throttle run. Meth system right now is activated, so it starts spraying at 10 psi. This X5M gave me the thumbs up. Awesome. During my middle of my power pull. Yeah, finished that run, and I'm gonna go ahead and send this map over to Ron, and that should be it, guys. Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel. So yeah, I am actually going to be doing some pulls right here for you guys. This is after installing the methanol injection kit. So this could kind of show you a little example of what to expect in terms of intake temps. The car's been sitting around for a bit, so this will kind of show you how the meth injection affects the intake temps. So the injection starts right at 10 psi, and then it goes into full spray at 14 psi. So you're not going to see any effects just putting around town. It only really works when you go into boost. So you know, make sure to keep that in mind. Okay, guys. Yep. So you know, the ambient temperature outside right now is 66. It's not that hot today. Guys. So you guys can see it drops pretty quick. Gonna go ahead and stop that for right now, guys, but just wanted to give you guys a quick little, you know, view on the intake temps and after the methanol injection kit was installed. I am being tuned by Phatbotti by Ron Watson, putting me over on flex. So as you guys can see, the ethanol final content is right at just normal pump gas levels right now. The next step of the tune is going to be the you know, going up the ethanol content on the flex tune. So very much looking forward to doing that. Thank you again for checking in, and I'll see you guys later after the tune.